Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can launch a successful token using volume bot and also bundler bot. During the video I'm going to launch a token in live, but I wouldn't rug the token because I'm not a scammer. I only want to show you how the process works. Please do not take any actions based on this video because this video is only for educational purpose. And the token that I'm going to launch is worthless. Please do not buy it. Before I dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and join my Telegram channel, FrightDev. Without further ado, let's get into it. Before I show you how bundler bots and volume bots works, let's talk about different token ideas. Probably you heard about the first two methods and strategies, but this one is quite new and not many people know about this. The first strategy, which is very common, is finding some tweets. As soon as some famous people like Elon Musk, Donald Trump tweet about something, people immediately create a token for that. You should be very fast. In less than 20 seconds, you should create a token. Otherwise, you will be left behind. And you definitely need some good bots for, using this strategy. But the good thing about it is it's an immediate pump. You don't have to spend time for marketing or, create social media. If you can be among the first people, that's a guaranteed pump. But personally, I prefer using some TikTok videos. There are still many trendy videos on TikTok that no one created a token for them. This could be some long-term projects like Chill Guy. The second way, which is a scam, and I don't recommend that, is creating a copy for some successful projects. When you see a token graduated and the volume is good, you immediately create a replica. You will copy their Twitter, their website, and I don't recommend this strategy. You can't have a long-term project by being a copycat. The third strategy, which is very similar to creating a replica, is launching some tokens for some pre-launch projects. For example, if I go to Dex Screener, you can see many pre-sales ads in here. For example, look at this one. Solexi is actually a pre-sale. Their token is not live yet. But if I click on search bar and search their token, you can find out many tokens created for this project, and all of them are a scam. For example, this one reached to $237 million market cap. It even has 10 boosts. This is a scam. So this is a strategy people use, but I have to mention this market cap manipulated. There are many ways to do that. I'm not gonna talk about this in this video. This one 187 million, 230 million. These are fake and all of them are scams. Or there was a project called Pump.fun. I suppose someone created a token for this project. They don't have any token right now, I suppose. And that token reached to $5 million market cap. And there are many pre-launch projects on Twitter that still they don't have any token. However, this is also a scam and I don't recommend this strategy. Now, by knowing this, let's launch a token using a bundler bot. One of the bundler bots that you can use to launch your token is using Pumpkin. You can find the link to this bot in the video description, and in this way you support my channel. I really appreciate you if you use my referral link. I have to mention this is the most affordable bundler bot in the market. It costs I suppose only one sol, which is very affordable because the other bundler bots cost thousands of dollars. Also, this is a Telegram bot. When it comes to other bundler bots, unfortunately, you have to install some fishy apps on your Mac or PC. And it happened before that many of them stole the data in their users' computer. And you should be very cautious about this kind of apps. Do not install any of them. But the good thing about Pumpkin is it's a Telegram bot, which is great. Just click on the link. In here, first we have to click on wallets and we have to create a dev wallet or add another wallet of ourselves. Let me click on create dev wallet. In here, it shows me my public key and private key. I'm gonna send a little sol to this wallet. Please do not send too many souls to dev wallet. It doesn't look good at all. It's more common to send, for example, one sol maximum to the dev wallet. Now just click on next. I created my dev wallet. Now it's time to create a fund wallet. Fund wallet is basically a mother wallet that will fund different wallets. For example, if I click on create fund wallet, I can see my public key, private key. Let me click on next. And now I want to create buy wallets. Buy wallets is the actual wallet that will buy the token. We have to specify the number of wallets that we want to use. Personally, I only want 4 wallets, so I've written 4. And now all wallets created. Just click on next. In here, you can click on top up the fund wallet to actually send the fund to the fund wallet. This is the wallet address. You can send and transfer the SOL to dev wallet. And also we have to distribute them to buy wallets, which I'm gonna talk about it. First, let me transfer some SOL to my fund wallet and dev wallet. I'm gonna send 0.2 to dev wallet, and also something around 0.8 SOL to my fund wallet. If you want to launch a very successful token, definitely you have to spend more money. You have to bundle more supply, but this is only for educational purpose, so 0.8 SOL for my fund wallet is totally enough. Actually, I transferred some fund to my dev wallet and fund wallet. You can see my balance changed. Now what we have to do is to distribute this fund wallet to our buy wallets. Just click on distribute to buy wallets. You can add more buy wallets, but I want to distribute to my current buy wallet. Just click on this one. I want to distribute 0.8 SOL. This is the amount in my fund wallet in here. As you can see in here, it will transfer for example 0.5 SOL to this wallet, to 0.28 to this one. The amount of SOL are totally different. This is great. They are not similar and doesn't show as some wallets that are connected to one person. Click on confirm, and you can see my transactions. Click on back. If I click on my fund wallet, you can see it's 0 because I transferred all the SOL to my buy wallet. Now I can click transfer SOL from buy wallet back to my fund wallet, but it's not necessary at all and we don't have to do that. Now we're ready to go and we can actually launch our token. Just click on back. I have to mention it's important to not have any connection between your dev wallet and also fund wallet. That's the reason usually devs use some fresh wallets for this purpose. Now just click on launch, create new token, and we have to write a name for our token. Recently this TikTok girl launched a token, a dog token. And as you know, right now, after CZ Twitter post, dog tokens are becoming very trendy. So I want to create a copy for this one. The name will be this. Just copy that. Let me paste it in here. For the symbol, we can write Lucky. And for the description, let me just copy this and paste it in here. For the image, let me upload the image. There is no Twitter, so let's skip that. There is no Telegram, let's skip. For the website, I want to, share the TikTok video. So let me just click on website in here and copy the TikTok video. Let me paste it in here. You can see the token information for website. I posted the TikTok video, and this is the buy plan. As soon as I click on confirm, the token gonna launch. Let's actually try it. Click on confirm. It sent a bundle for 2 transactions. Okay guys, the token just launched. As you can see in here, I can copy the contract. This is Axiom. You can see some buys and sells happened after the snipes. But here's the important thing. As you can see, there are not many buys and sells because the market cap is less than $6,000 market cap. If you want to, launch a serious project, make sure you at least pass $10,000 market cap, because most degens usually not invest on some tokens below $10,000. So if you want to launch a successful project, bundle at least 5 to 10 SOL at the beginning. In this way, more people will jump in and will buy your token. You can see if I can reach $39,000 market cap, the king of the hills will reach 100%, and in this way you can have a very high chance to bond the token, because every purchase that happen in your token will show on the main page of Pump.fun website. Also, you can see 2 comments in here. I've written those by using the bots. They have a comments bots option in here. I can click on add comments. I can write some comments. For example, dev is based. Let's say great project, and so on. You can write anything you want and just paste it. Let's wait. Click on back and send comments. This could take few minutes to add the comments to my token, but currently not many people take a look at the comment section because most of them are a scam. But this is a great option that you can use by using Pumpkin website. If I click on back, I can actually sell my bag. Just click on launch again. You can sell a percentage of that, or you can sell only dev, or you can sell all the tokens. I don't want anyone lose money. I think people who invested in the project already sold their bag. So I'm gonna sell all the tokens. Just click on sell all and confirm. I lost a little SOL, and this is because of the network fee. No one dumped on me because I was the first one who bought the token. But because of the gas fee, I lost a little money. As I told you, this is only for educational purpose. Now, let me actually show you how volume bots works, because if you want to have a successful project, you definitely need to use some bump bots or volume bots. One of the best tools that you can use for trending is using SolarBot. You can find a link to this bot in the video description. They offer many great features. I have to mention this bot is backed by CryptoRick, who is a famous YouTuber, and also his dogs, which is great. They have volume bot, rank bot, holder bot, text screener, reaction bot, Pump.fun bump bot. I'm gonna talk about the difference between volume and bump. Moonshot booster bot, airdrop token to top holders. Basically, you can, for example, airdrop a portion of your tokens to top holders of different projects like dog with hats. And this is very cool, a very powerful strategy, marketing strategy. Many successful projects done that, and it's very cool. This bot offers all these features. They even have CoinGecko listing assistance, which is great. But let's talk about the volume and bump. When it comes to Pump.fun projects, they usually use bump bots. Basically, the bot will buy very small amount of SOL, like 0.001 SOL. And the reason for this is for every purchase of your token, Pump.fun will show the token on the main page. It will show it as a bump, and the more transaction, the more buys you have in your project, the more visibility you can have, and this is great. But when it comes to volume bot, the amount of purchase is much higher than this. For example, 1 sol, 2 sol, and the purpose is having basically more volume. When it comes to bump bot, this is only for pump fun, and when it comes to volume, this is only for some tokens that are on Dex screener. They are on a radium pool. Basically doesn't work for pump fun tokens, and this is the same for other volume bots as well. For pump fun, you can use bump bot. For example, if I click on bump bot, let me actually paste my token that I created. That you can see, for example, you can have 10 minutes, 15 minutes bump bot, and if I click on unlock usage, you only have to pay 0.8 sol for 1 hour, which is very affordable. And the good thing is, since this is rental, you can basically gain access to all the other features as well. You can even gain access to the volume bots. You can gain access to ranking bots, reaction booster bot, and this is very cool, very affordable. If I click on volume bots, let me actually click on this. Let's paste the contract from Dex screener to the bot. Click on Radium AMA pool. Token already graduated. If I click on volume and order volume directly without rental, to have, for example, $200,000 basically volume, you only have to pay 2.3 sol. So by paying 2.3 sol, you can have $200,000 volume. You can even have $2 million volume. There are many things that you can set in here. For example, even $700,000 volume. The time frame, you want the volume in 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or 10 minutes. It really depends on your strategy, your launch strategy. And they do it in a very natural mode. Basically, it will buy, for example, 1 sol with one wallet, 3 sol with other wallet, and then it will sell, for example, 3.5 sol. Then the remained sol will sell in another transaction. It's very natural, and no one can understand this is a volume bot, which is great. And they have other features as well. For example, you can have a reaction bot. On Dex screener, you can see, for example, this token has something around 3,500 rockets. These rockets really affects your project visibility to be on the trending section on Dex screener. And by using this bot, you can have many rockets and different emojis, which is great. For example, Dex rocket. Or holders. You can have 500 holders, 1,000 holders, 2,000 holders. You only have to pay for transaction fees. This 1 sol that you have to pay for 500 basically holders is only for transaction fees. Creating accounts on Solana costs money, and to have 500 accounts, you have to pay something around 1 sol. Make sure to play around with the bot. You can find the link to this bot in the video description. I really hope you found it helpful. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. Cheers.